We are out on the water in the kayaks down here at the flooded pond, guys. And when I mean flooded, it's flooded super bad. I've never seen it this high before, but we have had crazy flooded just everywhere, guys. It's been flooded, crazy rain, muddy water. But we're out in the kayaks. He's in my Ascend, first time out in the kayak. I'm in the BONAFIDE, boys. So we're gonna get after it, fish this spot, see if we can make something happen. We switched it up to a little blue jig with this other little, I don't even know what that is, some kind of black and blue creature bait as a trailer. That should be money right there, guys. Guys, I just missed a damn fish over here trying to turn around in the kayak. There he is, guys. Joe's first fish from the kayak, boys. Yeah! One little dink, but I'll take it. All right, guys, caught the first fish. It's a little bitty guy, but you know, I'll take whatever I can get. Joe caught one and I caught one. Guys, that's like a, I don't know, 8-incher or something. Holy crap, 9 maybe. Super tiny, but you know, I'm pumped. Feel good having one on the end of my fishing rod though. No, all right, we're gonna put this back, guys. See ya, buddy. Water is a little murkier than normal, so I switched it up to a black and blue, put a Bitzy jig, and we pulled one out. Oh man. So we can do it again. Boys, it's number 2. All right, guys, we're catching them a little bit. Guys, number two for me. 3 total for the day because Joe caught one as well. So that's 3 fish. As challenging as fishing is right now, especially here in Tennessee and down here in the South, all this flooding and stuff. Hey, we'll take what we can get, guys. You know. Nothing big, nothing crazy, not even close. But hey, like I said, we'll definitely take it, man. You know, I'll catch 10 of these this little, I'll be happy. A few more, call it a day, boys. We've got about an hour of daylight left, maybe 45 minutes, so we're gonna keep on trucking. Number 2. See you, buddy. I was trying to squeeze out these last few minutes. Don't look like nothing's gonna happen. Guys, this bass fishing is so tough around here right now, guys. It is horrible. You know, at the end of the day, we came down here to this pond because we know the water clarity is usually better than all the other places. You know, we still caught a few fish. We caught a few largemouth. They were super duper little. But, you know, at least we caught something. We had something on the other end of our line, guys. So we cannot complain. We did all right. So Joe caught his first bass out of a kayak, which was awesome. That was actually his first time ever getting out in the kayak fishing. So got him in the game. Hopefully, you know, maybe he'll grab him a kayak one of these days, or, you know, he can borrow my extra anytime he wants. So with that being said, guys, I know there's a lot of traffic in the background here with the highway being behind me. You know, I'm just happy we caught something today. We're going to end it right here. As always, thanks for tuning in to another Bass and Beer video. Please subscribe, please like this video, and hit that notification bell, boys. We'll see you all.